Hello there, what's up? Yeah, welcome to this video. Yeah, in this particular video I'll give you one strategy you can employ in picking stock for yourself. Now, I invested in Apple. Why did I invest in Apple? Because I spent lots of money in the organization. I'll show you. This is my phone. Yeah, this is a Pro Max 13. Yeah, my missus, same thing, Pro Max 13. I've got my MacBook Pro, yeah, I forgot on me, and this is 2020, yeah, and then got an iMac. The kids have their iPads, so I've spent so much money acquiring Apple product here, and it's only right for me to invest in the organization, if you get what I mean. So one strategy is invest in the organization that you spend your money. So it's like you are spending your money in an organization that is actually making money for you. So that's just the strategy. Just look around yourself. What do you have? Like, what do you spend your money on? It could be a fashion brand, it could be cars, it could be whatever thing that you love. It could be that you have a Tesla, like you spend so much money on Tesla and yet you're not invested in the organization. So just go ahead and invest in the organization. If you use Facebook, Amazon, whatever brand you're using, invest in the organization, because there are millions of people out there using the same brand.